Are you looking for the best metal detectors in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best metal detectors that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker IV Metal Detector. The Garrett Ace 300 is a great metal detector for anyone who is just starting out in the hobby. It has a lightweight and telescoping design, coming in at 5 pounds and extendable up to 51 inches, so it's easier to handle. It also comes with a coil cover, an environmental protection cover, and a pair of headphones. The 10 inches detector coil is waterproof, allowing you to search for metal items in damp soil, streams, oceans, and lakes. It is able to detect objects buried up to 8 inches deep to help you search for coins, jewelry, and other small items. With its 5 different detection modes, you can search for everything from iron horseshoes and silver coins to aluminum scrap and gold. The simplified, push-button controls let you quickly and easily select detection modes, set sensitivity, and adjust detection frequencies to narrow down your search. The Garrett Ace 300 is powered by 4AA batteries, so you don't need to keep specialized batteries on hand or remember to charge your metal detector before you go out exploring. Up next in the 4th place is the Minelab Equinox 800 metal detector. If you're a serious metal detecting hobbyist or a search and salvage professional, the Minelab Equinox 800 is an almost perfect option. It's a high-end, exceptionally precise metal detector that can sense objects buried up to 18 inches underground, so you can hunt for everything from coins and rings to scrap iron, aluminum, and even meteorites. The entire unit is waterproof and can be submerged in water up to 10 feet deep, so you can search rivers, lakes, ponds, and oceans for relics. With its 4 different detection modes, you can accurately search terrain like sandy dunes and beaches, grassy fields, and rocky hills. You also can set up 8 different detection profiles for faster gold, silver, and iron identification, or for multiple users of the same unit. It's powered by an integrated, rechargeable battery that can give you up to 12 hours of use, so you can explore all day, worry-free. The Equinox 800 also comes with a pair of headphones for more accurate and distraction-free listening to differentiate between tones for gold, silver, brass, and iron or steel. The 3rd product on our list is the National Geographic Junior Metal Detector. If you've got young children who are interested in getting into metal detecting as a hobby, this starter kit from National Geographic is a great option. It features a very lightweight design to be easier for little ones to carry. It can be adjusted up to 39 inches in length, so your kids can continue to use it as they grow. The 7.5 inches detection coil is fully waterproof, allowing kids to look for coins and other treasures in sand, dirt, and streams. It can detect metal objects buried up to 6 inches deep. The starter kit comes with the metal detector, guidebook, and even 5 gold doubloon replicas to bury and find. It also includes a small trowel shovel to help dig out found objects. The Junior Metal Detector is powered by 3AA batteries, so you won't have to worry about keeping special batteries on hand or your kids remembering to charge the metal detector. Second on our list is the Wettigout fully waterproof underwater metal detector. Not all treasures are buried on land, so if you want to do a little underwater exploration for coins and other relics, you'll need the Wettigout MD790. This metal detector is incredibly compact and lightweight, weighing less than a pound and measuring just 14 inches long for easier travel and one-handed use. The 5.5 inches detection coil is filled with resin to protect the electronics from water damage and can detect objects up to 3 inches deep. The top of the coil also has a small LCD screen to show you battery life and signal detection strength. The MD790 also vibrates to let you know when it has detected something, and with the built-in flashlight, you'll be able to use the metal detector in dim environments. It's powered by a single 9-volt battery, so you won't have to worry about remembering to charge it up before you go exploring. And the built-in lanyard keeps the detector from floating away if you accidentally drop it or lose your grip. The entire unit can be submerged in water up to 100 feet deep, so you can take it snorkeling or scuba diving, or even just search riverbanks and shorelines without worrying about water damage. Finally, the top product on our list is the Nokta Makro Legend Metal Detector. There are many things to love about the beach, but its friendliness to electronics isn't one of them. Between the sand, the water, and a tendency to be windy in some areas, this is an environment that can be tough on electronics, so it's important to choose a metal detector designed to withstand these challenges. On the plus side, all sorts of random things get lost in the sand or are washed up from the water, so you never know what you'll find. This Nokta Makro Pro is perfect for beach expeditions. It's fully submersible up to 10 feet and has a specific beach mode with settings for wet or dry sand. It is also designed to protect against dust infiltration. If you want something a little less pricey, try the Nokta Makro Simplex Plus WHP, which would also do well at the beach. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.